When I first met Alma, she only knew some basic Korean words.
You means score a point?
You means reason.
Oh, reason. 나보다 bad?
Oh, amazing.
Alone?
Oh, yes.
Graduation?
Ah, close. Similar. Not similar, but 전공. Not this one.
Major?
Yes, major.
But after just 2 months in the intensive program, she memorized 1,600 Korean words.
여권.
Yes.
Yes. Passport, good. This one?
Conference?
No, that's good. What about this?
Carbies, paratives?
Yes. What about this?
Exam test?
Oh, awesome.
Tofu soap?
Yes.
Japan?
Oh, yes.
Begin?
Oh, yes.
Foreign language?
Yes. 안녕하세요, 터미입니다. This time I have invited Alma, one of my fast Korean course students. I will briefly introduce Alma. She is Spanish and she is 14 years old. To summarize her achievements, Alma proudly scored TOPIK I level 2 in just 2 months. When I first met Alma, she took a TOPIK mock test. At that time, she scored listening for 57 and reading for 47, total of 104 points. But after 2 months of my coaching period, she scored listening 78, reading 81 for a total of 159 points. Congratulations! In short, her listening score jumped 21 points from 57 to 78. Her reading score went up 34 points from 47 to 81. Hooray! Now, let's hear in detail how Alma achieved these results. Alma, 안녕하세요.
안녕하세요.
Please give us a brief introduction.
Hello, this is Alma. As Tammy say, I am from Spain and I'm 14 years old. I have been studying Korean for about 3 years and I recently took the Korean fast course.
What made you decide to learn Korean?
The main reason why I started learning Korean was because I fell in love with the Korean culture and I wanted to understand my favorite idols, all the things, and I would love to live in Korea in the future. So I think all those things like the main engine of this.
Okay, who is your favorite idols?
My favorite idol is Enhypen Nikki and
Nikki, okay.
he's Japanese and Hypen in general. I really love Hypen.
How many hours a day do you usually look for them?
All the day.
All the day.
I'm always thinking about them.
You really like them.
Yes.
Before taking my fast Korean course, what was your Korean level?
My Korean level, I remember it was like level 1, topic 1, a little below, because I remember listening to my idols, understanding some simple words like 진짜, 왜, 미안해요, and things like that, but not a really deep understanding. And also for the reading, it was a little bit better because I could start a couple of words in some phrase, but it wasn't really good.
At the time, you already learned a lot of Koreans from your favorite idols. So what struggles did you have? It seems like everything is okay.
Probably it was the way that I studied because I take my notebook, I watch a video, I copy it, and the grammar the same. The vocabulary I studied. The problem with this was that I wasn't very constant. For example, one day I study a grammar and the next day I study other, and I didn't have time to process it or even practice with them. So I know that grammar, but I can't understand it.
You know the grammar, but you couldn't apply it?
Exactly. I didn't know how to use it.
You got what the idol said and you try to catch it, but then you don't know how to apply it.
Exactly.
Why did you decide to take this fast Korean?
As I said before, I have been studying Korean for a while, so I thought it was a great opportunity for me for taking this, and I would not regret this opportunity. So I think that's what made me start and stay forward.
Yes, but you are 14 years old. Are you a junior high school student?
Yeah, I am in high school, and I think it's really complicated, like to balance them, and like because in high school I have to study a lot, and in Korean it's take a lot of time, but I think I got it. I know how to regulate it.
Before you join, I told you I want you to study like 3 hours a day. Did you feel that is too much hours?
I think studying 3 hours when it was in summer, it was perfect because I have a lot of time. But when it was in high school time, it was a little bit slow. But in the night or in the afternoon, some days I could like find a moment.
Yes, it seems like you constantly studied. You didn't have any missing dates. Every day you studied Korean. Did you have this kind of habits before?
No, I remember studying like 5 days in a week, and in the weekend I have a break, a reset, and yes, that's
So taking this course, it became your habit to study every day.
totally.
Wow. After enrolling, how many months did it take to see results? And what kind of results did you achieve?
The result is starting appearing in 3 weeks. I saw my Korean was slightly changing. I was very proud of me for that. But with the 2 months, I could see finally a really whole result. I feel very proud of that. Like saying what I have got, it's really grateful for me.
So when did you feel, your Korean is getting better?
I think it wasn't, like tomorrow is gonna be better. It was like constantly, and it's improving, and you maybe sometimes don't notice it, but I think that's part of the learning.
What's made the difference in your progress?
As I said before, I didn't study very constantly, and now with the sheet and the attention that I every single day, tell me your study plan. I think that made me see very clearly what I have to do that day, and it helps a lot.
Okay. I was in Japan and you are in Spain, and I'm not really watching your study, but then we are just chatting, right? But even
Exactly.
that, you can discipline yourself. Wasn't it difficult?
It was difficult sometimes, but I think it's like everything in life. You keep trying it, you keep practicing, and it becomes an habit.
When you study, where do you usually study? At home or you went to cafe?
I always study at home and sometimes at the beach because my family go to some places, and I say I have to study, so I carry my things and study in other places. But usually in my home.
So no matter where you go, you brought the study materials.
Yes.
Wow. What did your family say?
My family, I think they know how I am, and they know I'm very constant when I propose something. When I say I want this, I am going to get it. So I think they actually know how I am. It wasn't surprising to them.
Wow, that is very impressive. But that's how you committed for this program and for Korean. If you hadn't taken the Fast Korean coaching course, what do you think you'd be doing now?
Probably I had been doing the same thing I said, studying a grammar and the next day study another, and maybe not memorizing it. And the vocabulary, I think I will search some words if I don't understand how I've been saying it, things like that. I think it's don't improve a lot if I haven't taken this course.
So in the beginning, your level was topic 1, right? But at the end, you are above topic 1 level 2, right? Were you surprised after 2 months?
It was really surprising for me because how fast everything like changed. It made me feel again so proud, and I'm really grateful of this opportunity because I wouldn't be able if I couldn't have this opportunity. So I'm really, really grateful.
can you tell me your future plans for learning Korean and your ultimate goal?
I will try to practice listening every single day, putting podcasts or more simple videos that I could listen and repeat it. And I think for grammar, I will practice that at the same way that I did before, watching your videos, repeating it, listening and reading. And my ultimate goal is to speak Korean as my English or even my Spanish level.
Wow, that's your
It's a big
goal.
goal, isn't it? I would love because I want to speak Korean freely and I would really appreciate that.
Do you also have a plan to visit Korea someday?
Yes, it's one of my dreams. I really
Wow,
love it.
I think so. There are many viewers who are very passionate learning Korean, so can you give them a message?
I think some days it seems difficult and you think you cannot do a lot of things, but in that time is when you get stronger. And as me, I think it's great in that moment to put more effort, and that's what makes the difference. Life is a control of esoterica. That's my favorite phrase. And I think that's why we have to try new things and be brave and keep going. That's my final message.
Thank you so much. So keep going, keep studying, right? Thank you.
Thank you.
Finally, I have a quick announcement. The Korean coaching course that Alma joined is offered intermittently through my newsletter. This time I prepared a super special gift for those who register my newsletter subscription. And it's completely free. I know you love this. First, you'll get a complete slide set covering beginner Korean lessons 1 through 50. The total number of pages is 1840. Now you can watch my videos and review them through my textbook. Secondly, you receive a set of elementary level printable worksheets covering units 9 to 27, designed to help you thoroughly review and master the material. This set includes 108 pages. In addition, I'll provide another collection of elementary level worksheets for units 28 to 50, totaling 158 pages. Last but not least, you'll get a complete slide set covering intermediate Korean lessons 1 through 66. If you are interested, please be sure to sign up through the link in the description box below this video. So for today's Korean coaching achievement report, I had Alma join me. Thank you very much for being here today.
Thank you.
Let's meet again in the next video. 한국어 파이팅, 파이팅, 파이팅!